Okay, this is a 2022 Haas Gr 510. It's February 2024. This machine's 10K spindle, 20 tool changer, probing, minimum oil machining, the enhanced remote jog. Spindle's running right now at let's see, 5,000. It's not warmed up all the way, but I'll warm it up a bit. There's 70, there's 8,000. I'll go ahead and stop and then move it around. You can see the table's clean. Coolant tank. The serial number shows it up there. It's 220 volt machine. Again, it's a 2022. It's got light curtains. I'll move the X. Here it's nice and quiet. Move the Y. Same, nice and quiet. And the Z. Same, nice and quiet. Go ahead and make a full change. I'll do one more where you can see it through the window here. It's the air bladder. So again, it's a 2022 Haas Gr 510, and this video is February of 2024.